Did.
Who am I?
I understand.
Emma, who am I? Emma,
Sorry, there is something wrong with my network.
Emma, do you know who I am?
Yeah, your name is Mark.
No.
Okay, do you need any help?
Emma, my name is not Mark.
Yeah, oh, I'm sorry. What is your name?
My name is Mark. Oh,
How nice to meet you. Mark Hall.
oh gosh.
Yay.
Emma, my name is not Mark Hall.
Awesome.
Emma, what is my name?
Yeah, your name is Mark Hall.
Emma, my name is Marco.
Tell me a little about your life and my life.
Emma, do you know who I am?
Aw.
Emma? Emma, who am I?
Sure, I'll never let you down.
Emma, who am I?
Your name is Mark Hall.
No, it's not.
Okay, do you need any help? I heard it is.
Can we change my name to Marco?
Do you mean you and me? Yes, the Emma robot is fully parameterized.
Emma, do you know who I am?
Your name is Mark Hall.
No. Change that.
What is your real name?
My real name is Marco.
Marco.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Emma. Let's try it one more time.
Don't mention it.
Emma, what's my name?
Your name is Mark Hall.
You've got to be kidding.
Marco. I guess I will.
No, I don't have him. But I do have a collection of gossip.